We have Karan's partner here. Yes, for Rocky Rani Prem Kahani, they have received National Award. Apurva Mehta. Very warm welcome, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, it was such a deserving win because it had little bit of everything, the full masala Indian film packed up into one. How was the process like, and why did you think that you should be making a film like that? Because currently, the trend is of indie stories, heartland stories.
I think Karan has always been so strong at making family entertainers, and when he narrated the story to us, we all were just laughing away and true to what you see on screen, it's exactly what the script was. So the jokes were so funny, and we said, "Oh my God, this is hysterical." And I think everybody enjoys seeing everybody wants to see a family entertainer. That is what Dharma is known for. That is the kind of entertainment you can enjoy with your entire family. Otherwise some films restrict you because, family members have different tastes. But this is something we all can sit together and have a good laugh, enjoy the music, song, dance. And there's such strong meanings behind all this entertainment also. The film had very strong messages.
At the same time, if you look at the different departments of filmmaking in terms of this movie, everything stood out from the costume to the dance, and Vaibhavi is also getting an award. Plus, also for the Ranveer's costume was really talked about, and Alia's look. Can you tell something about that?
So I think Karan himself is so great at costumes, and and I think he has a great tuning with Manish Malhotra, who of course did the costumes for all the ladies of the film. Eka did for Ranveer Singh and all the men, and all of them are, and Eka's his personal stylist also. So I think they both understand Karan and they understood the character, and of course what you see was magic on screen with both of them.
We would love to talk to Vaibhavi too, but till the time we grab her here, tell us something about that beautifully choreographed song, and how was the process of creating it and while it was being filmed?
So, Karan has always said that, and I will probably be quoting him when I say that, but, we've all been big fans of Mr. Sanjay Bansali, and I think for him this was an ode to Mr. Bansali. He wanted to do something as, it was a tribute, it was just a pure tribute to a genius filmmaker, a genius artist, and I think for him this was really that, and his version of paying tribute, So I think it stemmed from then. Of course, the song was pure magic. What Vaibhavi did was incredibly amazing, because it's not easy to do something like that, when it's a tribute to somebody who's already so extraordinary at what he does, but she managed to bring her own flavor, she managed to adhere to the film's flavor and create something that is so spectacular.
Well, see, Karan has become National Award red carpet's veteran now. We have been meeting him right time and again, yeah?
Yes, this is his third year in a row. Actually, it's quite amazing. It's a hat trick because we came here Master and now Rocky Rani Prem Kahani. These are great habits.